I'm going to set out my camera traps, and in this same area we heard wood knocks a few days ago, just two good womp womp, and this morning we were hearing something up here that I couldn't tell if it was a grouse or what, but it was a deep dull thud, and it wasn't a woodpecker, because a woodpecker will, you know, tap a little harder. This is like doom 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 doom. And just about 5 minutes ago I walked ahead to go look and see what we were hearing up here, and then way off in the distance we could hear some more thudding. And when I was standing up on the hillside way off that way, I could hear some more dull thuds. It was like Morse code or something. I wouldn't call it Morse code, but it was interesting that we were hearing it from over there, up there, and then over there. So